Hello. So I just made a triggering short, and this kind of inspired me to maybe make a follow-up video. I've calmed down because there was a security incident that I thought would have taken quite a long time to resolve, but fortunately it was resolved pretty quickly this time. But there's been multiple times where it's taken hours, especially if you have to get onto shuttle buses in congested traffic. So right now I'm at Bloor-Yonge station, and I figured since I made a video of line 2, I can make my first one of line 1, which is the most populated out of all 4 lines on the subway line of TTC. And I'll be heading to Dundas station, where you will be getting a nice view of the Eaton Center and what used to be called Dundas Square, but it'll always be Dundas Square to me. I won't even say that stupid new name. So there should be one here roughly in 2 minutes. And these subway cars, actually it's one continuous car that goes all the way towards the end. But for line 2, it's multiple cars that are older. And you have that sort of a accordion attachment. Sometimes it can take a bit longer than what it indicates, but I'm hoping for the best. While I'm waiting, I'll just take a bit of a view around here. Gateway, one place to do all your gambling. Someone won a ticket here for $10,713,714. June 16th, 2017. Well, that must have been a fantastic day for them. So I don't gamble personally. I never seem to win when I do. So I guess luck just isn't on my side when it comes to gambling. So for the best. They certainly like to advertise it everywhere. Especially on YouTube, I've noticed. I get constant ads, you know, for sports bet or whatnot. And here it is. So I'm just going to be pointing this out the window. Now it's pretty congested. I'm going to see what availability I have here, or I can even get on. Okay, there we go. Try
Line 1,
other end here, and just stick it out the window. We have how many stops to go? 1, 2, 3 stops, so it won't be that long. But as you can see, it does get pretty congested. And if you really want to see congestion, you have to check out my recent short, where all the people had to be evacuated from the subway onto the platform, which I was obviously not happy about, but as I said, it was resolved a lot quicker than I anticipated, so I'm over it. Wellesley Station is the next station. I don't want complete darkness, so I'll just get the reflection here.
Arriving at Ballstate, Westbury Station. Doors will open on the right.
Funny, I just sniffed my nose and it says fight the sniffles. Ironic timing to see that.
And clear the doors. Next station is College Station.
Itself is a bit shaky. I lean it against the glass here, so.
Arriving at College Station. Doors will open on the right.
One more stop to go. And you'll see along the stretch of Line 1, subway stations like these are have better designs to them. The tiling here is pretty cool and eye-catching as opposed to what you would see along the stretch of Line 2, which is older and more run-down for most stations. Especially when you see Museum Station. That's one of the most impressive ones. But I will not be going there today.
Next station is Dundas Station.
And exactly as I was saying, now we have this cool lime green. I love it. Can't say I don't.
Line 1, you're gone.
Alrighty. Follow the crowd. Oh, I can't wait to get my gimbal. I'm really trying to keep the shaking to a minimum.
How to keep the TTC safe. Report any suspicious activity to a member of staff.
Help keep us safe from shuttle buses.
See something? Say something.
Just gonna hold it with two hands right now. But yeah, the Eaton Center is the probably the most populated mall in not only Canada but in North America, and you're going to be seeing it very soon.
Jesus is God. You can repent.
Repent. Alrighty. Toronto Eaton Center. Goes right into the mall. Thank you. Okay. Button line here. Whew, I do have a bit of vertigo right now, so yikes, don't look down. I believe this used to be a Samsung store. Now it's BMO. Now this has to be one of the best views of the downtown core, without question. Okay. Ed Mervesteeder here. Used to be a Hard Rock Cafe, sadly gone. Shake Shack that came here, what, about a year ago now? Now that I think there's 2 or 3 more. I know there's another one in Union Station. Sightseeing Toronto bus. I've never been on them. Well, I'm not a tourist and I grew up in Toronto, so never really seen the need for it, but I'd be curious anyways. I gotta look into that. Maybe I can make a video of that one day, so. All right. Uh-oh, copyright music. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna cut this short now, as I do have a meeting to get to, so